Hey guys, it's Nikki. Before I explain this weird makeup situation, I just wanted to come on here and take a minute to thank you guys, everyone who's been supporting me, encouraging me, voting for me in this challenge for the NYX Face Awards. I seriously appreciate you guys so much, and I can't convey it in this video, in a very short video, but just know from the bottom of my heart I appreciate you guys so much for sharing my stuff, for voting for me. When I started doing this, it feels like such a weird hobby, and I was really scared to start doing it in the first place and start posting it, because I felt like, who does this? Who turns themselves into an orc from Lord of the Rings or E.T.? And I wasn't sure if people would like it or if I would just be a weirdo, but the overwhelming amount of support that you guys have shown me has been truly a blessing. Whether I win or lose, it doesn't matter at this point. Just getting into the top 30 at all surprised the crap out of me, and it has been such an honor. Getting all this makeup that Nick sent me has been amazing, and just being able to connect with you guys and see just the love and support that you guys have for me has been a true blessing, and I really do appreciate it. So thank you guys so much. I want to say thank you as well to my brother-in-law and my sister-in-law from Meg Brock Photography. My video would have been mashed potatoes if they didn't come in and help me. I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to film me looking like a weirdo in the woods. I couldn't have done this without you guys, so thank you so much. I would freaking love to get into the top 20. You guys don't know this, but I was so not planning on getting into the top 30 that I had this vacation planned. So they literally announced the challenge on a Thursday. I had Friday to think about what I was going to do, and then I had to do the makeup on Saturday. So I would just, if nothing else, I would love to get into the top 20 just to be able to have the full amount of time to work on it and do something that I can prep for and make stuff for. I felt like this round was a little hard for me just because I didn't have much time and I had to really kind of rush things. But anyway, this has been so fun. Whether I win or lose this first round, thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Truly, truly thank you. Don't forget, today is the last day of voting, so I will put the link in the comment section or the description of this video, so go ahead and click that if you want to take the opportunity to get your last votes in. Again, it's 3 votes per email, so if you have 2 emails, that's 6 votes. If you have 3 emails, it's 9 votes, and so on. So don't forget to do that before the day is done. So, to explain what I have going on today, if my voice sounds a little deep, it's because I'm getting over being sick. And I'm just kind of feeling run down. We had vacation, but it wasn't a relaxing vacation. We were traipsing around everywhere. It was super fun, but I feel just kind of run down. And I woke up today feeling uninspired. I knew I wanted to do a makeup look today, but I had no idea what I was gonna do. So I'm just thinking, I'm looking around, I'm what can I do? I'm getting a shower, and I'm thinking to myself true art can be inspired by anything. So I'm looking around and I look in my shower and I see my little Head & Shoulders bottle. Yeah, I suffer from the flake every once in a while, don't judge me. So anyway, I saw this and I thought this was just a really cool little design, this apple falling into the water and the little Head & Shoulders logo. So I'm Head & Shoulders today, but I feel it just kind of goes to show that true art can be inspired by literally anything. You can be inspired by a flower or something that's not even meant to be beautiful, like a freaking shampoo bottle. So that's the beauty of makeup and art, is that you can create whatever you want from any kind of inspiration at all. But I kind of like the way that it turned out. I think it looks kind of cool. Maybe I'll tag Head & Shoulders and they'll block me forever. Just so you know, the voting does end today, but they do announce the top 20 on the 29th. It's the longest amount of days in my life. So I will keep you guys posted either way. If you do like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the little bell next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified every time I make a video. Leave a like, leave a comment, leave a hot dog or a piece of pizza, because I like those. Thanks so much, guys. See ya.